Here's the D litter at 1 week old today. They're just... Somebody's noisy. Who is it? Is it you? Little girl. Everybody's doing really well. There's a few that are a little bigger than the others, but I don't have any runts. Everybody's eating really well, nice and chubby. Good pigment coming in. Our little ones, oh yeah. Hi, Elka. You lay down? Alright, I'll get out of the way. Lay down. Oh, they know Mama's there. And there they go. Elka's a great mother. She keeps everybody really clean, spotless. That's 1 week old today. Elka and Raphael litter. 5 boys, 3 girls. I have 3 puppies reserved. And that's all for today.